Noor, I recently read a book about space exploration. An interesting book, alom. Since interesting starts with a vowel sound, we use N instead of A. Use N before words that start with the vowel sounds, not just words that start with vowels. For example, an hour is correct, even though hour start with consonants, but is silent letter, right? Oh, I see. So I read an interesting book about space exploration. It was about an astronaut who traveled to an unknown planet. Almost there. It should be an astronaut and an unknown planet because astronaut and unknown both start with vowel sounds. The article depends on pronunciation, not spelling. Some words that start with vowels but actually have consonant sounds. For example, a university, not an university, because university also starts with a U sound, university, consonant sound, right? So say a university, not an university. Got it. The astronaut landed on the Mars and discovered an ancient civilization. Small correction, we don't use the before Mars because it's a proper noun referring to a unique place. Also, ancient start with a vowel sound, so it should be an ancient civilization. We don't use the before names of most planets, continents, or countries unless they include words like republic, kingdom, or united. For example, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands. Okay, understood. So the astronaut landed on Mars and discovered an ancient civilization. Perfect. Keep going. The book also explained the importance of planets like the Earth, the Venus in space studies. Good effort. We use the before Earth because it's often treated as a specific place, but we don't say the Venus. Just say Venus. Use the for celestial bodies like the moon, the sun, the Milky Way, not for planets, Mars, Venus, Jupiter. However, when referring to Earth as a planet, we sometimes drop the. For example, Earth orbits the sun. Earth orbits the sun. Okay? So I should say the book explained the importance of planets like the Earth and Venus in space studies. Exactly. Here's a quick summary. Use A before words that start with a consonant sound, a book, a scientist, and use N before words that start with the vowel sound, an hour, an experiment, and use the when referring to something specific or unique, the moon, the government, the United Kingdom. Okay, that makes sense. Let me try another sentence. I learned an important lesson today. Close, it should be an important lesson because important starts with a vowel sound. English grammar is quite detailed, but I'm improving. Absolutely. Learning from mistakes is the best way to improve. And now let's see some common mistake which most of the learner makes. No article before general nouns. For example, I love the coffee is incorrect. Okay, the correct will be I love coffee. I love coffee. No article is needed for general ideas. And next, using the with names. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain is incorrect. The correct will be Mount Everest is the highest mountain. No the before mountain names. Okay. And next, using A or N with uncountable nouns. For example, I need an advice is incorrect. The correct will be I need some advice because advice is uncountable noun and uncountable nouns don't take A or N. Okay. And I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.